everyone, my name is Angela and I'm so excited to welcome you back to some amazing products we have this summer. Make sure to stick around. I might have a promo code for you at the end. Let's dive in. To kick things off, we have from TULA Skincare this amazing Protect and Glow Daily Sunscreen Gel. I love this. It's SPF 30 and it's really great because not only does it protect you from the damaging sun, but also from blue light and pollution. To be honest, I didn't even know we had to protect from blue light. I thought those were just for glasses, not for our face. So this really does it all. I love that this is under 2 ounces, so it's super easy to travel with. I actually just brought it to Puerto Rico. I was officiating a wedding and needed to make sure I was protecting myself from the Puerto Rico sun. This was such a great travel add-on. Also, I don't know who needs to hear this. Your sunscreen, the SPF, it expires. You should be getting some new ones every year, so I would definitely choose this one. Plus, it adds a little extra shimmer and glow when you add it on. So not only do I like to add all over my face, but sometimes to my collarbone and shoulders as well, just for, a little fun and flirty pop. Also with this, it doesn't have that normal sunscreen smell. And with the ingredients, there's things like pineapple and papaya that really add a really nice and sweet smell. Next up, guys, are you ready for this? It is a Fenty beauty product, the full frontal mascara. So this just isn't your normal everyday mascara. This really does it all. It volumizes, lengthens, defines, curls, it does everything. And because of course it's from Fenty, it's from Rihanna. If I wanted to know anything about beauty and just the look, of course I want it from Rihanna. So I'm really excited to have this mascara in as a choice for this summer's box. With this mascara, it really does it all. And the brush is really interesting. It has a flat side and a fat side. So with the fat side, that's where you really load up at the base of your curl and wiggle, and then you can use the flat side to really help with the lengthening, the curling, and when you're wiggling that up. It also has a nice point at the very top that you can get those really hard to reach lashes in the inner corner of your eye. If I'm traveling this summer, I think I'd really want to bring this one because it does everything. Are you traveling this summer? I would love to hear in the comments where you're off to this summer, if you have any trips planned. I know I have, 4 more weddings to go. I think I'll be bringing this mascara with me for sure, as it does it all. Next, we have a jewelry item from Baublebar. So I was really excited about this because you get a couple things with it. It is the Baublebar Build Your Own Necklace Clasp, and then also you get 2 necklace extenders, which I love. I have a few necklaces, and sometimes if you want to add, again, layers or length, these can really help. Not only extend, but sometimes it's easier to get on because it does have a really nice lobster claw. These help you really create that layered necklace look in a very clean and efficient way. And that's what we need for hot girl summer, clean and efficiency. So this is a really great item for any jewelry lover if you just want to create a few different looks this summer. We have another jewelry item, this beautiful necklace from the Sanctuary Project. So this is 14 karat gold plated, and it's a beautiful rose quartz necklace that can go from 18 inches to 20 inches. So you have a little bit of flexibility there. And I love this company. It is mission driven. They employ survivors that are from violence, trafficking, and addiction to help them be employed, and then just on the job training as well. So not only is it a beautiful necklace that you can wear every day, dress it up, just really with anything, but also you're really helping empower these survivors as well. I also love gold and rose quartz. If anyone knows anything about rose quartz, it's the stone that really helps with manifesting love. I love this necklace and I'm excited to wear it this summer. What would hot girl summer be without a fitness product? So really excited to showcase to you guys the New Balance ab wheel. This is super easy to use, no tools required, thank goodness, because I don't have any tools. I love that it has this beautiful like fuchsia purple color, and it's super easy to use. It has a lot of protection with the wheel as well as the handlebars, so you have that control when you are doing these ab exercises. You know, so if you want to switch it up a bit to really stabilize your core, again, we are getting ready to get out there this summer, that this is the perfect exercise option for you. It's small, it's easy to use, that you can just throw it in your car, or you can throw it in your closet when you're done. You can really just bring it anywhere. Do you work out on vacation? I definitely don't. But if you were going on a road trip this summer, this is something that you can easily pull apart and put it back together and just throw it in your trunk and be good to go. And then we have the Dr. Brandt Do Not Age Time Defying Cream. This moisturizer is great for all different skin types and really helps just with the firmness of your skin and the elasticity. What an amazing moisturizer. And what an amazing Dr. Brandt. I have to say, with FabFitFun, I've loved getting to explore all of the products that he's had throughout the years, and the boxes and the add-on sales, especially with the Do Not Age collection. Really excited for this moisturizer. Now that I've shown you some of the new products, let's take a look at some of our past favorites that you can also choose from in this category this summer. Thank you guys so much for watching. It's really such an amazing box. As promised, here's a code CLOSEUP, that'll help get you a discount off your first box. Like, comment, subscribe. Tell me, what was your favorite product and what are you doing this summer? I would love to know, but really excited to see you again next season.